I ordered the Rubbermaid large deck box, and it's like an in-between. It's not too small, not too big. Shows you the sizes here on the box. So it's decent, and for $100, around $100, I'll show you how to assemble it real quick. It looks like it's got about six pieces or so in here. I'm going to start assembling it. Take all the pieces out. Looks like it's a pretty good size. It's about 4 feet by 2. Yep, 4 feet by 2. And this, I can imagine this would take a couple minutes to assemble. Alright, the first thing I did was lay down the floor. See, it's a little smoother and curved in the front, so we're going to make that the front. This I clip together. You see the hinges are on the top side, back. Plug that so it clicks. The front side's got the little latch hole. Click-a-rooney. The sides are exactly the same. Just line these pins up with the holes in here. Press down. Voila. Basically, you want to get the pin to go through here, so you want to line it up best you can. Get a little hammer. Tap it. And that one's in. Do the same for the other side. This comes with instructions, but so far I really haven't used any of the instructions because it's so simple. So the last thing is to put the hinge rods on. We got them hinges in there, hinge pins real good. Tap it a little more. That was about the hardest part. You're gonna do it to that, very head fits through, and it kind of locks it in. Last thing is to put these strap rods on using these 4 supplied screws. And we're gonna go into this hole here and into this hole here and connect them. Do the same for the other side, and it's done. Whole installation takes assembly 5 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes.